a personal question, which I think everybody wants to know anyway.
Let her rip.
What do you do for a living? How are you able to get this car?
So,
Hey guys, I'm here at Jotech Motorsports. Y'all, I have to show you this crazy car too, but that's for later. It's a surprise, but your minds are gonna be blown when you see this car. But here's another mind-blowing car that I could show you now. It is a Ford GT. Fancy schmancy. Because this car is very rare. It's like impossible to get. A customer brought it into Jotech to just have like regular maintenance done. Look at that! Under 700 miles? Oh my gosh. Rare treat for us over here to see this. Okay, let's check up on the lunatic car. If Seth has made any progress. A new sticker? Oh, cool! Oh, yay! That's so cool. So this is a piece of the roll cage that's gonna be in the middle of the car. Oh, it's so pretty. Do you guys like that? Ooh, there's my engine. When are you gonna put it in, Seth? Kip is the one that made my roll cage, the 10-point cage in my car. And he got this fancy new machine. So are you making this cage right now for the 2024 that's gutted out? Oh my goodness.
I got the back action.
Oh, that's so cool. It's coming together for sure. Okay guys, prepare to be amazed. I'm not even hyping it up, like it's legit crazy looking. This is the wildest wrap I have ever seen. Ta-da! Hey guys, I'm here with this crazy wrap GTR with Antonio. Tell us about how this came into fruition.
This car was supposed to be a lot different over the course of, you know, just all the holdups and everything. It was gonna have teeth on it. It was gonna have the most basic body kit, different things, ran into different things, saw different things where I was like, oh, I could put this instead of that or that instead of this on the car. And eventually this was like the end product.
What was the inspo?
I'm a bit of an anime fan. I have these skateboards that have like a bunch of these anime girls on them. I figured, I was like, it's a beautiful car, so maybe I can put like a beautiful girl on it. My dad over there, the skateboard, the background of it was pink, so he was like, instead of chrome purple, go with the chrome pink. As far as the performance stuff, it was built by Jotech Motorsports. Y'all check them out. It has a stage 3.
Tell us about your crazy body kit.
I was always a fan of Liberty Walk. A friend of my dad's, he was like, get the Type 2, because the Type 1 is like, it's wider, but it's like not that much different than like than just the regular GTR. Like it's gonna be a little bit wider, but it didn't have like the canards or the hood or like,
that's the best part
stuff
right
like that. So, but yeah, so he was just like, hey, you know, I think if you're gonna do a body kit, you might as well go big or go home.
This also has a lift, and then you have the custom wheels right here too.
Yeah, actually, this was one of the biggest holdups, like surprisingly for the car. These took like half a year to make.
Lime green calipers too. Let's check out the interior, guys. Ooh. When was the last time you drove this?
6 months to a year before that. This thing has lived in the in different shops. This thing has lived in different shops for the past 2 years.
We definitely need to go for a ride. You want to drive it?
Yeah.
And let's go, guys. Oh my God, that is so wild. That was super loud. What do you think?
It's louder than I thought. I'm pleasantly surprised though.
You love it?
I love it. I'm at a loss for words, I gotta be honest. I wish I could say more, but I'm like speechless. This is my first time as well driving this, so it's very surreal for me to even be, you know, doing this right now. So
fun. You have people. Oh, there's a strip club too.
This is like, see, that's what I was thinking. Whenever I see this, I was like, this looks like a strip club type of car.
There's a strip club down the street. Wow. this car for?
Just to go out, go to the car shows, you know, just for my own personal leisure. This is like I think they call them pavement princesses, where she's not really going to be seeing too much action like that. Mainly a show car, if I'm being honest.
You're gonna win so many awards. This thing is so crazy loud. Oh, okay, we got back from our drive. This was Antonio's first drive on his car, this crazy wrap GTR. What did you think, Antonio?
I'm at a loss for words. I can't believe she's finally done. I can't believe I'm actually driving it, and it sounds and drives better than I thought it was going to. So
It
it's
sounds
like
so good, for sure.
like I said, I'm just I can't believe it. I can't believe it, guys.
So what, can I ask you a personal question, which I think everybody wants to know anyway?
Let her rip.
What do you do for a living? How are you able to get this car?
So what I do right now is I buy and sell cars, and I also develop real estate properties, such as like homes, stuff like that. I guess the way I kind of got into that was I did personal training, you know, boxing personal training, and saved up money for like a little, you know, $3,000 Beamer, flipped it, and just kept that momentum going to eventually, like I said, I was able to save some money and start up a shop and do this house thing and get my dream car.
That's what you get, guys,
So,
when you
work hard, people.
Work hard.
Yeah.
So that was super fun. Thank you so much, Antonio, for sharing.
Anytime. It's my pleasure. I'm so glad I'm so flattered to be on this channel. Have y'all, you know, fix up my car and, you know, do all that jazz.
No, this was definitely such a treat for us, and it was so cool. So Antonio's also starting his own YouTube, so I'm gonna link that over here too and on the screen. And we will see you guys next time. Follow, subscribe.
This channel and my upcoming
channel
as
too.
well.
And then we'll do more collabs together.
Yes, for sure. Until next time, people.
Bye.
Peace.
Wait, I don't want to spread my legs though. I'll just do this. Okay, tell me when you're recording. Ow! Oh, my elbow. Are you recording it?